Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So bajabulile kaBhikisha, very happy with ilobola kaThokozoleka from the Ncukanis, to the point where utamkhulu even said that uZoleka is a smart woman and she did well by lahling lenja umhlathi. Hey, for the Bhikisha, for the Ncukanis. Bukela manje babulobole cows, 60 cows. Uthi uyanga yena ye tamkhulu. You cannot about my father like that, Mfethu. You will put respect to the Mabandla family. You will put respect in my father's name. Ungakhulumi kanjalo nje. Yeah, no Magaba, I was like, hey, hi, uba sewuyathatheka. Uba too excited and overdo, yabo. This is what we call it. Uthumeka was just sitting there not saying anything, not even standing for Uhlati's name or the surname or kanjani. Go to Yanka was like, I'm not doing that one. I'm not doing that one. Unomfundisi was still worried about the decisions that Lazarus' dad is making without consulting with her. And it makes her feel like she's just a servant, kule family kaNgqukane, and but she's part of the family and she's part of everything. Lena ikhona to that family. So much it seems like, she's just gonna go around and do things, my errands and all that, but my decisions, they're not for her. So that one, is not sitting well with her. Go to Lazarus' dad is like, you know what? Do you boo? So complain it's not now. Sinoma Lucas and that we have to welcome. When go there and prepare her njengejwayelo, yabo. Yeah. And Lazarus wanted to understand because what's the motive behind Azande's decisions to not go to the initiation school and Ipleniak of not going if he needs to be given an opportunity to lead the family. Lazarus feels like he should be able to understand the kind of person that Azande is. Kodwa bafana Sibayeni, they felt different about him, but since he's still a boy, if anything is needed nguyena lokufuneka agijima, amadoda should send him to go ayolanza ikhiwa, ayolanza ibhakede lamanzi and take the dishes to abafazi to wash and all that. Kodwa nje hayi, it's too much. Ucoach so decided to say kuqhawe that maybe they should try it, yabona. Once again, Uqhawe shouldn't feel bad for making like a wild decision just for one day. Maybe they can go and find a room and just like just one last time before bahlaba and all that official. I was like, uyadlala, and I'm like, how coach? Kanjani manje? Kanjani sanibonani? Sanibona. Coach said that he doesn't mind the thing that they did with Uqhawe as long as no one is gonna go around talking about what they did, right? And he said that he's not a player, he's a coach, right? And he said that he doesn't get attached to people. So this thing into yakhe nje lakayijwayele lakayenzako, so it's not gonna be a problem. And it was just for one night. Okay. So why is he now coming back to Taugaza to say that they should go and just like do it for one last time before our official Robai family? Why does he come to Tawa to say that I like you? You like me for what? After what we did, we understand. And when you say like it makes me feel some type of way. Something did happen between us, right? And now you're coming here after saying that when you are all this and that, you come here, you tell me that you like me. What does that supposed to mean? What is the meaning of that? What is that? And how long are they willing to keep the secret? Because you know what, secrets, bah, with secrets, they have a way of coming out. They have a way of revealing themselves. And Ustibo really likes Azande. Ustibo really loves Azande, and like vele kudala afuna ukuthi abuye, and now he's here. Now Ustibo naye is very happy having him here. What is this going to do to him when he finds out that coach was coaching maphathi laka wrong of family yakhe kakhulu? Because I feel like Lazarus really does love Uzoleka and really does love the kids too. Even Oyanga, no Ligamva, he loved them dearly. So now Ukawegaz is like Chawekazi is someone that Lazarus loves dearly and sees every day. What is he going to do when he finds out that Azandi and Chawekazi did what before the whole family was like, yeah, one. So Hlathi calls the family to try and arrange a meeting so that they can talk about the whole Tumeka and him thinking, fixing and all that. God, it's funny how Hlathi would disappear if he needs to and come back if he needs to. And when he does come back, he expects everyone to be ready to say how high. Because now Ulukhanya is like, how daughter, you've been Yamalal for 2 weeks. Ngiko manje, when you decided to come back and fight for for your wife, what kind of a thing is that? Hi, bo. What do you mean when you say that you want to come here? Okay, because we know this is the ceremony this weekend. It's a busy nje na kunemalobolo, things are going nje. When it's time for us to meet you, usibephi. I mean, like Uhlad is like Lazarus is overcompensating. Lazarus cannot be loboling Uzoleka with 60 cows and a farm. Uzoleka has 2 kids with a different man and me divorcee. Kanjani Hlathi? We're still there, can't? I feel like it's training to be Uhlati, guys. I feel like it's training to be Uhlati because why with so much anger, so much everything, instead of focusing ukuthi yena umthola njani umfati wakhe and how they can talk and naye azifundise, teach himself how to speak to other people because manje he needs to really yehlisa himself to make to forgive him. He really needs to come with a different angle of speaking, a different way of saying words, a different way of putting things together and make them make sense for the next person, right? Kodwa uHlathi, I feel like he's not doing that one. uHlathi, I feel like he will go there na and speak to Utumeka and expect Utumeka ukuthi vele because yena he went there na Utumeka should just like pack their bags and go back with him. Kodwa I don't think because this is the right time for him to think that of Utumeka because Utumeka has been hurt so many times by Uhlathi, has been embarrassed so many times by Uhlathi. I think the worst part of it is that it feels like Utumeka loved Uhlathi way more than Uhlathi loved him. And through the embarrassment and all that Uhlathi made Utumeka go through, I don't think Utumeka kuba ngaba nguye who made Uhlathi go through all those embarrassment moments. Uhlathi would have stayed this longer kulo mshado wabo. I feel like Utumeka kuba ngaba it was Uhlathi ngoba uhamba kudala. And manje Utumeka has been bekezeling and this time around she's like, I'm tired. And I feel like Uhlathi uthatha kancinci when he says ngizoya mina pha and talk to her. Uma sengifike lapha she would not deny me. She would have to pack her bags and come. Kanjani mfethu? Because now if Uhlathi goes down there, kusana lo msebenzi lona wemalobola and all that between the Ngqokanes and the Bikitsas, Uhlathi is gonna create chaos vele. Uhlathi is going to have like a moment yakhe which is like embarrassing. Like there's no way Uhlathi is gonna show up and not embarrass you. Embarrassment should come with his name attached. Njengoba Hlathi embarrassment mhlawumbe semthetho embarrassment Hlathi mabandla. That's the kind of person that he is. He's not gonna show up and just like he's going to show up and make sure the chaos is caused. Kodwa bathi usuthulane nawe, I understand because when you were doing the whole process now there was no time yokuthi bangaze badoke bayenza, so give them time a few days nyana and then we can call them back and we can plan when we can go there and have a meeting and all that. We being Uhlathi because now he came back to his senses. Now everyone has to come to their senses. They shouldn't be talking about amalobolo kaZoleka kanjani because Utumeka and uZoleka bantwana bakakhaleli one. Utumeka and uZoleka, they are naye he wanted the same treatment from the Bikitsas when he was doing the whole process of loboling Utumeka and getting married and all that. But now someone else shouldn't get the same treatment. The world should stop because now Uhlathi is the one who wants a chance to go and speak. And why does he choose the malanga lawa athi kahle ukuthi there's something happening kule family? He couldn't just say, I'm calling to check ukuthi uThuma right, and I would need you guys to plan a meeting so that I can come there and we can talk. Yena uthi kusasa nje. Something is wrong with Uhlala.